The Earth is alive. Beneath its surface lies a sleeping fury. But what if that fury woke up? All at once, every active volcano on Earth erupts simultaneously. As the skies darken and the air thickens with ash, the world braces for unimaginable consequences. Climate collapse begins to unfold, affecting weather patterns and plunging entire regions into chaos. Famine strikes as crops fail under the weight of ash, leading to a desperate struggle for resources. The aftermath reveals a harsh reality. Mass extinction looms on the horizon. In the wake of devastation, scientists scramble to understand the full extent of the damage. The delicate balance of life teeters on the brink as humanity faces the repercussions of nature's fury. The survival of countless species hangs in the balance as ecosystems collapse around them. The planet's situation grows increasingly dire, casting a shadow over the human race. In desperation, nations unite to address the catastrophic fallout. Acts of kindness emerge as communities come together to support those in need, igniting a flicker of hope. Volcanoes are natural phenomena that occur when molten rock known as magma escapes to the Earth's surface through openings in the crust. They can be categorized into different types, including stratovolcanoes characterized by their steep, conical shapes, shield volcanoes which have gentle slopes formed from fluid lava flows, and dome volcanoes created by the slow accumulation of viscous lava. Famous examples include Mount Etna in Italy, Kilauea in Hawaii, Popocatépetl in Mexico, and Krakatoa in Indonesia. Volcanoes can be classified as active, dormant, or extinct based on their eruption history. When tectonic plates move, they can either collide or separate, generating immense pressure. This pressure allows magma to rise from beneath the Earth's crust, sometimes resulting in explosive eruptions or gentle lava flows. Geologists study these processes closely, analyzing rocks and gases to predict future volcanic activity. Through animated graphics, the dynamic movements of tectonic plates can be visualized, revealing how they contribute to the formation and eruption of volcanoes. The history of volcanic eruptions reveals a series of catastrophic events that have shaped civilizations, starting with the devastating eruption of Mount Vesuvius in 79 AD, which buried Pompeii under layers of ash, preserving its remnants for centuries. The catastrophic eruption of Krakatoa in 1883 sent shockwaves around the world, resulting in dramatic climate changes and a significant drop in temperatures that led to what is known as the Year Without a Summer. The eruption of Mount Tambora in 1815 was one of the most powerful in recorded history, leading to widespread agricultural collapse and severe social upheaval across the globe as temperatures plummeted. The 2010 eruption of Eyjafjallajökull caused unprecedented disruptions to air travel, with millions of passengers stranded as airports closed, due to the massive ash cloud highlighting the modern world's vulnerability to natural disasters. Yellowstone's supervolcanic eruptions, occurring approximately 640,000 years ago, unleashed colossal forces that reshaped the region and presented a long-term threat to ecosystems and climate stability. In a world brimming with natural wonders, the question arises, is a global simultaneous eruption scientifically possible? Conspiracy theories swirl around the notion, but experts caution that such an event has never occurred. What would happen if it did? Geologists delve into the complexities of volcanic activity, focusing on key fault zones like the Pacific Ring of Fire, revealing insights through advanced simulations. As researchers study the Pacific Ring of Fire, they illustrate how over 75% of the world's volcanoes are concentrated here. Each volcanic site tells a story of potential power and destruction, stirring imaginations and fears alike. In the lab, scientists meticulously scrutinize volcanic rock samples, seeking clues that might shed light on the mysteries lying beneath the Earth's surface. Visualizing the chaos, one can imagine cities shrouded in ash as multiple volcanoes erupt in unison, causing panic among the residents below. The interconnectedness of these geological forces reveals a fascinating yet terrifying chain reaction, where one eruption could send shockwaves to distant fault lines, resulting in a domino effect of natural disasters. In the first hour of unprecedented chaos, global communication broke down as multiple tsunamis hit coastlines, leading to massive and impossible evacuations. Cities were destroyed by relentless pyroclastic flows, while planes fell from the sky due to engines clogged with ash. As the turmoil unfolded, terrified citizens scrambled through the streets, clutching whatever they could amidst the rising floodwaters. Emergency responders rush to assist families trapped in the debris, embodying the urgency and desperation of a world turned upside down. In the chaos, a cracked smartphone screen flickered with failed calls and emergency alerts, a symbol of the communication breakdown. Meanwhile, evacuated families huddled together in a dimly lit shelter, their expressions revealing deep fear and uncertainty as they listened to the latest updates. In a world darkened by the shadow of ash clouds, the sun is rendered invisible, leading to a volcanic winter that alters life as we know it. The sudden drop in global temperatures ushers in crop failures, leaving vast fields desolate and farmers helpless against their losses. Food shortages emerge as a harsh reality, igniting a global humanitarian crisis that sees communities struggling for survival. As societies crumble under the weight of scarcity, economic and market collapse becomes inevitable, leaving millions to ponder what went wrong. As desperation grips the cities, the once bustling streets are now filled with crowds of individuals seeking basic sustenance, their faces reflecting a grim reality. Empty bowls in hand, they wander past closed storefronts that once thrived, now mere shadows of their former selves. In a nearby emergency shelter, families cling together in dim light, sharing what little resources they have, their expressions a mixture of fear and uncertainty about the future. The darkened world serves as a stark reminder of vulnerability when humanity faces nature's wrath. In a world where survival is paramount, underground shelters become sanctuaries for those seeking refuge from chaos above. These improvised urban survival hubs are filled with innovation and camaraderie as communities band together to thrive amidst resource scarcity. Advanced technologies emerge, offering hope through air filtration systems that purify the stale air, while indoor farming provides sustenance. Above, the struggle for resources has led to despair, and the once bustling streets now lie empty, echoing the challenges faced by those left behind. In strategic meetings held within the shelter, individuals unite to allocate limited resources, wisely forming alliances that could determine their futures. The harsh reality of massive population decline casts a shadow over their discussions, serving as a reminder of the fragile existence above ground. Amidst the tension, children find joy within the shelter, their laughter a beacon of hope in an uncertain world crafted from recycled dreams. Meanwhile, the empty streets above tell a grim story of wars fought over what little remains as nature begins to reclaim its place among the ruins. After 5 years, Earth begins to heal. Vegetation returns, creating a new world order. The final reflection resonates. Earth has the power to destroy us, but also to rebirth itself. This serves as a hopeful message and a call to action for ecological awareness. With each passing day, nature reclaims its space, revealing the beauty that lies beneath the scars of the past. Children laugh and play in the pristine waters, embodying the hope for a brighter tomorrow. Communities unite, exchanging ideas on sustainable living, fostering a culture of preservation and respect for the earth. The skyline reflects a harmonious blend of urban life and nature, a testament to what humanity can achieve when it works together.